forgot. Yeah, why you ain't remind me? Welcome to another vlog. Hey Quay babes. If you're new here, my name is Quay. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe. My room is dirty, y'all. Don't look too hard. Oh my gosh. But I'm about to go get my hair done. I'm about to get some knotless braids and get some maintenance done for this trip. So today I'm gonna get these braids, and if I have time I'm gonna get my eyebrows done today. If not, then I will get them done later. The next few days, nail appointment, wax appointment, lash appointment. Like, we're getting everything done. We're getting all done up for my trip. So yeah, I'm gonna just take y'all along the ride. I also have like a party to go to tonight, so I'm gonna just take y'all with me. Just another number weekly vlog, but mainly maintenance. But I also will maybe show y'all some stuff before I go to a party. It's a Chinese New Year's theme party, y'all. I do not have an outfit. I have no idea what I'm wearing tonight, and it's at 8 o'clock, and it is currently 8:32 a.m. So I get my hair done starting at 9. The knotless braids are probably gonna take me about 4 to 5 hours maybe for them to do it, depending on how many people are gonna be on my head at once. That's what I said, I might not be able to have time to get my eyebrows done because I might go try to find an outfit real quick last minute. But I hope everybody's having a great first week of January, man, and enjoying 2026 for what it is already. I'm so excited for what's to come and all the plans that I have and things I want to show y'all and just goals and things that I want to achieve for 2026. So I'm still doing my 10-day no bread, no meat, no fried foods. I see a huge difference. So for my appointment, I brought these, some dragon fruit and grapes to eat. I'm doing pretty good on this though. I'm sticking to it. I won't eat bad until my vacation.
Oh God, it's so good. So good.
Kind of rush and get to my apartment. I ordered a cake for a function I'm going to tonight. It's a cheesecake. It's so good. It's like a pecan cheesecake. I didn't never know like that I would like that, but somebody had it at like a work party, so I got the name of it, of where they got it from, and I ordered it. So that's supposed to be delivered between 5 and 6. Right now it's like 5 something, I don't know what time it is. It took longer than normal on my hair because the lady that does my hair was like running a whole shop. So yeah. Now I'm about to head home, chill for like 2 seconds, shower, and then start getting ready. I'll probably start getting ready soon for the party. So I just ordered some vegetable fried rice just to get some chopsticks because I want to put my hair in a bun. Hopefully it's not too sore. But I want to pull my hair up in a bun and put chopsticks in it for part of my outfit. Y'all, I have not had time to go and get nothing. So we're going to have to finesse what I have at the crib. Hopefully I can throw something together. It might not be the best Chinese outfit, but I'm going to do what I can with what I got. So we'll see exactly how it'll come together. I think I'm going to end up wearing my pants that I bought from Thailand. So yeah, we're going to try to make it work. I just gotta see if I got a shirt. That's my only concern. Let's just pray that it all comes together, y'all. Let's just pray. Regardless, I know I'm gonna have fun tonight. Okay, y'all. Don't mind what's behind me because my room looks crazy. But this is the fit for the party. I have like chopsticks in my hair. I don't know if y'all can see them. I bought these from Thailand. I just got on a white tee, my gold jewelry, normal stack. I got on my Yeezy slides with some white socks on. What's crazy is if it's the aesthetic with the white socks, but baby, these toes ain't done. I ain't went to my so this is perfect because I ain't taking these socks off. Ain't nobody seen these crazy toes. I got this purse a long time ago off Amazon. It's linked in my storefront. My storefront link will be in the description below. But this is the fit, real last minute, real put it together with what was in my closet already. And yeah, I hope it fit the aesthetic and they like the fit. If I can, I will record a little bit maybe while I'm there. But if not, I just won't. And yeah, I will just talk to y'all and tell y'all how the party is later. So this is the setup done by yours truly, the hostess with the mostest. Look at all the decor, y'all. Isn't it so cute? We can take pictures here. They even got the little, you know, things. You can be in a vlog if you want to be. It's going on my YouTube channel. I'm just getting the decor. Say it, do it for me. Okay, Mike. Yeah. Car. Oh, you actually got it. And she can just look.
I'd rather be smoking weed whenever we breathe. Every time you kiss me, don't say that you miss me. Just come get me.
Good afternoon, Quabays. So this morning when I got up, I just kind of came straight here. I didn't chat with y'all on my way to my appointment. But I just went ahead and got my lashes done, so y'all did see me get that. She did really good. I think this might be like my favorite time of her doing them. Like, we switched it up. I got like a little bit longer, and I wanted them really full. So I don't know if y'all can really see them, but my eyes are watering because I literally just walked out of there. I think I'm gonna get these eyebrows done now, and then the nail salon. And yeah, I'm about to hit this road. I'm about to turn off this camera. I don't have like a holder. I probably need to get me one, like a holder, so I can vlog and talk to y'all and drive, but I don't have one. And it's kind of, driving in Kuwait honestly isn't for the weak. Like, they drive insane out here. So with that being said, you gotta pick and choose like what you do and what you don't do. Like, I'm not on my phone, I'm not holding no camera like I would do if I was stateside. So yeah, so change of plans. My brow lady is off work. I started driving there and I hit them up before I left my lash lady, and they're like, Sophie is off today. I'm like, out of all days. So I guess after work tomorrow, I might have to go and get my brows done that way. I don't know. I might have to make time for it because y'all see these cali petals in my face. Y'all see them? These things are crazy. So now we're at the nail shop. So I'm about to go in here. I'm gonna take y'all with me and we're gonna get these nails and toes done because they need them bad. I have no idea what color I'm gonna get, but we'll figure it out. Which one is the best, in your opinion? This one? Lemon? Okay. Let's do that. So I ended up getting everything done. All right, let me tell y'all a little thing though. I was so scared and I wanted to come and talk to y'all, but I was like, it was kind of loud in the nail shop. I didn't know if y'all was gonna be able to hear me, so I was like, I would just talk to y'all after. So I went and got my nails done, just simple overlay on my nails and toes and purple. But when I was there, I was just like, man, I don't really want to go anywhere after work tomorrow to go get my eyebrows done. So I'm going to try this lady for the first time. So I think she did decent. I'm gonna fill them in on the ends. I don't really have eyebrows anyway. I never really have. So I always fill them in on the sides. But I think it's decent. Like, I can get with it, and I think it's gonna save me time in the future because now I'll be able to go and get my nails and toes done and my brows done at the same place. And this place is close to the crib, so I'm really not complaining about that. But I was so nervous that Shorty was about to have me looking surprised. And then, like, a lot of Arab people, they get that, like, slanted, like, chop off the side of your eyebrow. Like, one time, a lady did that to me. And I was like, no. Like, I showed her already what I wanted. But I think she was so in the habit of doing it that, like, she did it. But nobody knew, because what I did is I just filled it in and kind of shaped it myself with, like, a eyebrow pencil. Man, I was so tight because she did it right before vacation. But nobody knew. So anyways, yeah, everything is done now. Only thing I have to get done now is a wax. And I'm not getting a wax done until a day before my trip. So that will be in a couple of days. So that concludes the maintenance vlog, y'all. Also gonna include all the costs of everything in this vlog. Actually, let me tell y'all now. And I'll have my editor, I'll have her put in the cost of everything. So for my braids, my knotless braids, and mind you, they're waist length. You see how long these braids are? They're waist length. That was 50 KD. My toes and nails were 43 KD. And they also, so like, it would have been 41 KD, but they charge you 3 KD to remove like previous polish. So I had like gel polish on my toes. So they charge you for that. Anytime you're getting a polish remove out here, like stateside, you know, they don't charge you to remove your polish or anything like that. But here they do. And then my eyebrows was another 2 KD. On the wax is gonna be another 10 KD. So let's do some math real quick. So I said that my hair was 50 KD, right? I think, yeah, 50 KD was for my hair. My my toes and nails was 43 KD. My eyebrows was 2 KD. And then my wax would be 10 KD. That's 105 KD altogether. Oh, my lashes, y'all. My lashes. I almost forgot. Yeah, why you ain't remind me? My lashes was 35 KD. So, drum roll please, which is crazy. I spent 140 KD on everything. That's $455, y'all. $455 for my maintenance before my trip. Like, guys have it so easy. All they gotta do is get a haircut. Sheesh, I didn't realize I spent that much money until just now. But yeah, it is what it is. I already knew. I already put $400 to the side for my maintenance, so I only went over $55. But it is what it is. You gotta look good when you're on vacation. You gotta look good in general. And one thing I told myself too, like, because since I've been in Kuwait, I've really been like lacking on the self-maintenance. Don't get me wrong, I'll have my hair done at all times, but like, I don't be keeping my nails done. I'll keep my toes done, but I don't be keeping my nails done. My eyebrows, I'll be letting them wolf, and I'll be like, all right, let me go get my eyebrows done now. My lashes, I only get them done when I'm about to go on vacation. So it's like, I'm going to try to keep, you know, do what I would do back stateside. That's one of my things that I said I'm going to do this year. So I'm going to commit to that. So maybe like once a month, I'll go and get like, well, maybe like every 3 weeks, I'll go and get everything retouched up. Because, you know, when you look good and you feel better. So that's something I'm going to do. And, you know, I be crusty and I need to stop doing that and allow myself to look like that out here. I don't even know if I talked to y'all about the party, but I had a blast at the New Year's party. I didn't get a lot of footage because your girl was enjoying herself, okay? I recorded the decoration for y'all and maybe a few more clips. But outside of that, that's all I got. But it was a great time. Hey y'all, so I told y'all I wasn't going to record anymore for this vlog, but I lied. So my lady, she does house calls, so she should be here maybe any minute now. I told her just to come in between 6:30 and 7. So I'm about to go ahead and wait for her. And then I'm gonna head downstairs to get her, bring her up to my apartment, get this wax done, and then all the maintenance is done for the trip. And don't mind my little bonnet is halfway on my head because when I lay down on this bed, because she did on my bed, I lay down on this bed, I don't play about the braids, bruh. Or just in general, I don't like to lay down. Even though I have silk sheets, I don't play about that. So guys, it's time to get a wax. This is the last step of my maintenance before my trip. I'm not looking forward to this pain right now. Don't mind that. That's clothes that I still have to pack. I have to try on some bathing suits, but Yeah. Man, this one's been too much. So you know that means it's more pain. But we'll get it together. I'll survive. I'll survive, y'all. I'm really excited about the trip, y'all. I can't wait to show y'all everything that I see. I'll talk to y'all after my wax. Cause yeah, this is about to hurt really bad. And I don't want my facial expressions on the camera. So see y'all later. All right, Quabays, so this is the end of this vlog. I'm showered, I'm refreshed. All the maintenance is completely done. I am fully packed, y'all. Like, I have this big tail suitcase and I'm only gonna be gone for like, what, 6 days? I don't even know how many days I'm gone. But regardless, I overpack like a mug, but it's okay. You always have to be prepared, you know? Never under-prepared, always prepared. I'd rather be more prepared than not prepared at all. But I hope y'all enjoyed this vlog, and I love y'all. See y'all next time. If you're new here, don't forget to comment, like, subscribe. Join the community, join the Quabays for more travel content, more expat life, and living in Kuwait, more music, everything, man. Listen, this is my life, and I'm sharing it with y'all, my journey of everything. So yeah, man, I should see y'all soon in another country. I'm excited. All right, bye.